Hi everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech, and today I'm going to talk to you about some fixes that can help you with signal issues. So on these phones there are two different antennas. There is a main antenna up here that is usually for GPS, Bluetooth, anything like that. And then you have a second antenna. It's this cable right here that is actually connected down on the charge port. So when you're trying to figure out, well, you're not getting signal, you know it's not where you're at, you know it's not the house, you know you have signal, everyone else as your carrier has signal in this area, then you want to look at replacing either of these antennas. More often than not, it is the antenna that's on the charge port, and this is true across all iPhones, but sometimes it can also be this one up here. If you're having issues with GPS, it's going to always be this one. If you have to replace the charge port, this is one of those where you'd have to take out the whole motherboard in order to do so, because the charge port does wrap around underneath the motherboard. This is the connector right here, and obviously that is underneath. Otherwise, if you, like I said, you're having issues with Google Maps not finding you, directions, anything like that, you'd want to be looking at this one. There's just two screws you got to take out here, and then the couple of screws actually holding down the antenna itself. So these are both, this is a relatively easy repair that you can get done in under 20 minutes. The charge port repair is one that you would need more time on, just because, like I said, you're going to take the whole motherboard out. We can do both of these repairs. If you have any connectivity issues, please let us know. You can give us a call and we can talk over your options. Phone number is 651-605-2570. You don't need an appointment, just stop at any time and we can do a diagnostic on your phone and go from there. You guys have a nice night.